Lola!
Oh.
Ma, are you okay?
Sorry. Bad connection.
Lola, this one or this one?
Yes, Apo. Maganda.
No, Lola, choose this one or this one.
Maganda.
Ma, are you okay?
Wala ka bang planong ipa-check up si Ray sa speech therapist?
What do you mean?
Well, she's 7. Hindi pa rin siya malinaw magsalita. I'm sorry. Concerned lang ako.
So when you wash your hands with water, will
It's not easy to admit that you have hearing loss. And this has led me to miss out on some of the most important things in life.
Yesterday I had a violin recital. Lola, you be the prince. Go to the beach with me. No, go to the beach with me. Who do you choose, Lola? This one or this one?
Going to Active Hearing Center changed my life. Hearing every word and laughter with my hearing aids made me experience life in a whole new way.
And how are you?
Good.
Good. Okay.
I got 5 stars.
Wow! Ang galing-galing naman ng apo ko.
Lola, the way I got 5 stars is I told my teachers about soap.
I didn't realize how much I was missing in life. Admitting to having hearing loss was like nabawasan yung pagkatao ko. Active Hearing Center will always be here for me. And I know they will actively be there for you too.